Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. So in the last class, we have discussed about uh, integer data types. In integer data types, we have discussed about four types of data types. They are decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal means based on represent values in 0 to 9, and binary means 2. It will allow the numbers from 0 and 1, and octal means 0 to 7, and hexadecimal base 16, that is from 0 to 9, and small a to small f, capital A to capital F. You can represent both small letters and capital letters, and then base conversions. So octal to binary, binary to octal. Okay, hexadecimal, decimal to hexadecimal, like that we have converted. And then float data type. Float data type means zero point 0 values, 2.0, 1.2, like that. And exponential. Exponential forms are used to store the values in a less memory. Store values in less memory. And bool data type. Um, bool data type means either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. If the condition is true, it will uh, uh, give it as an 1 or true. Or if the condition is false, then it will give as false. And complex. Complex numbers are a plus 4j. Um, and here A is a real part and B is the imaginary part. Okay, these are the valid conditions. This is the invalid condition, because real part can accept any kind of value, but imaginary part will not accept except decimal. If you give any other numbers format, and then it will not accept. It will allows only decimal format. Oh, which format is this? It is in binary format. 0 B. B represents binary. Okay. Till we have discussed here. Till now, till here we have discussed in the last class. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss about next data type, that is string data type. That is string data type. I'm writing here. What is string data type? How we can represent? How we can use this string data type in Python? We may know. So first of all, string means alphabets. Okay, small a to small z, and capital A to capital Z. We can represent both. Okay. Uh, so in order to indicate a string, then we must represent that in the format of str. Str means string. Str means string, and string is a sequence of characters with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. So in order to represent the string, we can use single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Any kind of value we can specify in single quotes or double quotes and triple quotes. But if you want to represent numbers, then you don't need to give the quotes. But if you want to uh, uh, show the strings, then only we can represent the quotes. And if you have given the numbers in columns, then it will also treat it as a string data type. Whatever you will give in columns, then that will be treated as an string data type only. Okay. Let's see that in a practical way. Okay. Next, I am opening the IDLE to show you that practically. First one. Um, let's take an example. S equal to, see here I'm representing the string in single columns. Okay, now I'm writing the name. So after whatever you specify in this single quotes, then it will automatically represent in green color. That means that it is taking that as a string data type. String data type. And in string data type, uh, it will specify some values. Okay, like and the string data type will start the counting from zero to whatever the characters we have till count that till it will count to that number. Okay, like for suppose here give me a minute. For suppose here we have represented S. Otherwise, we can take taking text only. See here S U N N Y. So here S value starts from 0 and in the U starts from 1 and the N value is 2. Okay, obviously then N value will be 3. This value is 4. Okay, S U N N Y. We have represented a Sunny. That value will be like this. But in the same way, we can also consider this number by taking the minus value. If you want to take the string from reverse order, then we must specify in minus values. Okay, like that. Here, if you want to take y number, if you want to know y number, the y number will be here -1. -1. Let's have some value here. To understand this, I am writing this arrow mark, taking this arrow marks. Okay. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Then I will explain this topic again. Okay. From this topic conversation, it is going to be much interesting and it is important. Okay, and this value is -2. This value is -3 and u value is -4. This value is -5. Okay, so let's understand this by doing it in practical way. Now I want to know the s value. Otherwise I want to take the s. I want to represent the 0 text of this number. I mean, let's have some example here. So here I am representing 0. So 0 represents which one? It has to represent s only. Wait for a minute. Give me a minute. So here, uh, 0 represents S. We need to give the number in square brackets. We need to give the numbers in square brackets. Okay. Then obviously the value of U will be, if you want to know the first character, it is the zero character, and the first character will value will be U. Just try it in by giving 1 in square brackets, S of 1. So U. And in the same way, if I want to know the value of -1, I am giving here S of -1. See here, we had already specified here. S of -1 is Y. And let's try with another number, S of -3. S of -3. So -3 will also n. Okay, like this, like that we have to represent the number. Like that we have to represent the strings in the number. Okay, what, and it contains how many members? Five numbers. Okay, S U N N member, 5 numbers. Okay, that's why we had given -1 to -5 here, and 0 to 4. So from starting left to right, it will count from 0. But from counting reverse order, if you want to count in a reverse order from right to left, then we must specify the value from -1. Okay, um, that is the key point in string data type. Okay, let's try with the uh, out of syllabus question. Let's, I'm giving here 10. We have specified only 5 letters. SUN 5 letters. Let's give as 10. But it doesn't have 10 characters in the string. Let's try. Let's try. What will happen? It will give error. It will give error. Why? Because it doesn't have 10 numbers, 10 characters in the string. If you have 10 characters in the string, then it will automatically takes that one. What will be the value of that 10? It will specify that character or that letter. But if you don't have 10 characters in the string, then it will give error. Then it will give traceback error. Okay. And here one more thing, that here we have specified uh, the string in single quotes. Okay, let's remove these values from here. But what it will take if I give the string in the same string in double quotes? Let's try. S equal to just wait for a minute. So here I have represented the same string here, single quote here with the double quote. Is it? Let me try whether it will take or not. It has taken. It has not given any error, means it has taken. Okay. Then just try with the above values. 0 taken, 2 taken, 1 taken. But we have not tested 2 value. Let's try with 2. What it will. So it will represent an error. We can't give like that. Okay, you can't give like that. Okay, so we can give the single value in strings in single quotes and double quotes, but while giving, we have to know that Python is a case sensitive language. Python is a case sensitive language. Um, Here it has given error because of it doesn't the string doesn't have 10 characters or 10 letters in the in that value. Here it has given the error because we have uh, assigned this string into a small s. We have assigned it Sunny into a small s, but we want to know the value of capital S. That's why it has given error. That's why it has given error. If you ask the a value of 2 in small s, because we have assigned that Sunny to the small s, right? That's why it is given to small s. Okay, and if you want to try with another value s of 1, then it will, okay, s of 3. Okay, this is the way how to represent the values, and we can also represent the same string in triple quotes. We have represented in single quotes, we have represented in double quotes. Okay, single quotes and double quotes. Let's try with the third one. Let's take it once again. So here I am going to specify one. Bring the nodes. Just so here s equal to, and specifying full quotes. I'm specifying it in triple quotes. See, and then same string. See, if we give in triple quotes also, it will accept. Let's give some number to know the letter, which value it is assigned to the 0. S only. S of -1. Y only. So we can represent the values in these three types of codes, like single code, double code, and triple codes. Okay. So we are discussing about string data type. I'm going to write the notes for today's class. Next, in this, the first point will be A string is a sequence of characters. String is a sequence of characters with single quote, single quotes, or double quotes and triple quotes. We can represent the string in any of these quotes, single or double or triple quotes. Example, what we have taken s equal to which string we have taken in single. Of course, we are given there. We have taken the same string for all type of codes for better understanding. Is equal to is equal to double quotes SUNNY. Next is equal to Sunny in triple quotes. Whatever columns we have given in the beginning, we have to uh, close that string in the by giving the same kind of columns. Okay. If we give here single column, but if we give here double quotes, it will not work out. Okay. Next, we have to discuss about now slicing. This is the important topic in string data type. So why? Because some of the interviews may ask, how can you take the some part of the string? Which method you will use to take the string? Okay, slicing of arrange slicing of string. Slicing is easy to take some part of the string. For suppose here for suppose here Sunny is a string we have taken. So in this you have to take only n instead of all letters. Instead of you have to take you want to take only n. Then this method will helpful for you to take some part of the string. Okay. Mm, how can we represent this? Taking text. So here we need to specify, and we have to give square brackets only for slicing also. Beginning of the letter value and end. Begin means s. Here s value is 0 and end means y. Y value is how many characters did you have? 5 characters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y, I mean 5, 0 and 5. And in the same way, you can also represent y in -1 also. I can 5 or -1. Okay. Mm. Let's try this in a practical way. Next, I'm opening the IDLE. I'm taking another string this time. Let's say I want to remove this one. Begin is equal to, in single quotes I am representing Python. Okay. And now I'm trying to take the part of that one. Okay. So here I'm specifying 1 is to 4. So what value it will give? What is the letter assigned to the one here? P is the 0 and y is the 1, right? So it will take the string from y and to 1 to here this column will gives, and this column means 2 to 2. Okay, so it will starts from 1 to 4. 4 means 1 2 3 4 till till h it will take 0 1 2 3. Okay, 4 means -1 3. Okay, so it will take from y t h. Okay, 1 to 4 means y t h. Okay, so here it has shown like that. Okay, uh let's try with only giving 4. What it will display. S of colon 4. Colon 4 means, yeah, give me a minute. So S is to 4, then see here. Because why it has specified y means here we have specified and given the one value. So it has taken the string from y. But here we have not specified or we have not given 1. That's why it has taken from starting. So this means that if you don't specify the begin number, then it will take the string from starting. If you don't specify the number in beginning of the string slicing, then it will consider the string from starting. Two, if you specify the number the end of the letter without specifying the beginning of the letter, then it will take that up to that one. Okay, YTH. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, up to 4. Before 4 it will take. Okay, pi pyth. uh, let's try with another type of input. We had given here end of the character or letter, but now we are trying with, we are specifying the starting or beginning of the letter, but we are not specifying the ending. Then what it will take? YTHOL. So first character from first letter onwards it will takes. Okay, and the remaining whatever the string value string is there, then it will represent the whole number. Okay, then it will represent the whole number or string, because we have not specified the end of the letter. And let's try with another input also. That is s in brackets. I am not specifying the beginning or ending. Okay, I'm not specifying the beginning or ending. Then let you know what it will display. It will display character entire character. So here same, if you don't specify the uh, any slicing operator here, then also it will take the entire one. If you specify the slicing, but if you are not specified the beginning or ending letters, then also it will give the same output. There is no change. Okay, so here I am going to write the notes for this. Slice means generally one part, right? Slice means it will generally take one part. Slice means one part of that particular object. One part of that particular object. Let's wait. In general terms, what is slice? Some part only, right? Slice means a piece. Piece or some part of that one, that object, that particular object. Next, it will take the entire string. So it's like this means that if you are given this as input, then it means that it is going to perform slicing operations. Is called as slice slice operator. Slice operator, which can be used to retrieve, parts of string. Remember, guys, this is a very important topic. Most of the most of the interviews, they may ask you about slicing, or they can ask you the slicing in an indirect way, like how can you take the some part of the string? Then you must say by using slicing operator. By using slicing operator. Some of the ask what is slicing. Some of them ask like that. How can you take the some part in a string? Which operator you are going to use for taking a piece of characters or part of the some string? Then you must say uh, by using slicing operator. Python string. In Python, string follows zero-based index. Zero-based index. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment below. I will try to sort it out. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, any other platforms also. So if you comment on that platform also, I can be try to sort it out, and I will be helpful for you. The index can be either positive or negative. So we have specified, we have tried this also by giving minus ones. Okay, positive means 1 to 4. Negative means minus 1, minus 2, like that. Next, positive index means forward direction. Yes, you need to remember all these points. Okay, just for understanding purpose only, I'm writing everything in notes format. But you have to remember everything. Left to right. Same way, negative index means backward. Positive means forward. Negative means backward. Backward direction from right to left. Okay. What are the examples we have taken for this example? S equal to, in single quotes we have taken first S of 0. In this S of 0, 0 is S, and S of minus 1 represents which one? Y hash Y. The same way, S of 10, because the string doesn't have 10 characters. That's why it is taken as invalid. Okay. So this is about string operator, and we had also tried with another examples like S. Um, Give me a minute. So S equal to, we have taken Python. So in this S represents colon 4. 1 is to 4 represents which one? By th. Say in represents 1 is to represents which one? By thon, because first letter it will stop taking. Remaining letters it will take from 1 minimum. P means 0, right? That's why it has taken start. It has taken from by over here. And so Python, it will represent total letters. If you give direct only as also, it will give Python only. Okay. Yeah. That's all for this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session or any previous session, please comment below. Yeah. Thanks for watching.